What is going on, YouTube? I am here at the Spillway and we're going to catch some fish, hopefully some snook, maybe some tarpon. The Spillway is super clear. I mean, super clear water. It's probably some of the best conditions I've seen in a while. So let's get fishing. Also, y'all, subscribe, help a brother out. You know, if you like fishing content, make sure you subscribe. I mean, guys, the water is so clear, super clear. And I'm here with some live bait and some, some bobbers, octopus hook. I'm using these crappy bobbers today. I lost my nice bobbers. I literally went in my little brother's tackle box and took these. Let's get a bait fish real quick and hook them up. Now I'm just using an octopus hook and a little jewel cichlid, which jewel cichlids are my favorite bait for peacock bass. But if you watch my channel a lot, you already know that. And I hook them right through the nose. That way it keeps them alive for quite some time and they don't die real quick. So let's make a cast. Let's try and catch some fish. Massive school of peacock bass. Massive school of peacock bass. Massive school. Y'all see them? Massive school. Massive school of peacock bass. There you go. Peacock. Look at that. Look at that peacock bass. Nice fish. Small, but good, healthy fish, nonetheless. We'll get this guy back in the water. Nice fish. There you go, buddy. Alrighty, I got another bait. Ooh, what is that? Man, it's like Miami, man. It's like there are peacock bass absolutely everywhere. I've never seen the spillway like this. I don't know if y'all can see them here. Man, but the amount of peacock bass I'm seeing, they're not very big. But there is a really large amount of peacock bass. There we go. Just came off. I'm no longer going to cast up close towards these peacocks because they're stealing my bait and they're not that big. So I want to cast towards the down there. There we go. There's peacock. Nice little dink. Tiny one. Good look, good colors though. Let me just give this guy a nice little toss. Well, so y'all, I have the fish trap catching me more bait because all of them peacock bass ate all my bait, but I just want to show y'all how clear this water is. I'm wearing polarized sunglasses, but it is really clear. Y'all, look at this bait I'm using. Beautiful fish. There's fish. There's fish. That was like instant. Nice peacock bass. Well, not a nice one, but every peacock bass is nice, in my opinion. But, well, there's another fish. Let's get him back in the water. All right, I got another live bait out there, which means time to catch another peacock bass. We'll see how fast it gets eaten. That was crazy. Gotten eaten pretty fast. There we go. Man, there's gotta be a lot of them down there. It's like they never stop coming. There's so many of them. Right now, it's just hard to find bait fish. Alrighty, nice little peacock bass. Alrighty, let's see if we can go 30 seconds without getting hit. I say we get eaten within 30 seconds if he's still alive. The bait fish is kind of dead, so it's gonna be kind of a challenge. And I missed where I wanted to cast, but we'll see. 1, 2, we'll start counting. 3, 4, 5. Not gonna lie, that was more than 5 seconds, but it was definitely under 30 seconds. And we already have one. All right, let's let this guy go. Nice looking fish though. So I went to my truck and I cut a little fluke in like half. And I'm gonna put that at the end of the hook on the bobber and see if they hit it. I mean, it's worth a shot. All right, y'all, I'm gonna show y'all some crazy action here. I took the bobber off, watch this. This is why I like peacock bass fishing, okay? I don't even know. Look at that. See them swirl at that? Look. See if they swirl at it again. Yo, this is crazy. Look at that. Just cast it right in there. I'm gonna try and frame it where y'all can see it. Look at that swirl. Ah! That's crazy. Got one on the fluke. Ah! Look at that. On a broken fluke. He's got really nice colors. Yo, I'm gonna keep using this, broken fluke because it's catching me fish. And there's not a whole lot of bait fish. There we go. Whoa. It's a nice one. Whoa, really nice one. Really. Oh yeah. Look at that male. Look at that male fish. Hooked him in the head. Don't know how that happens. Look at that. Beautiful fish. Beautiful fish. I'm gonna take a... Come on, buddy. Well, guys, we caught some fish. We caught some peacock bass. It was a good day of fishing. That's going to be the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed it and have a good one.